Hello there, this is Doisa, and welcome to Cap'n Fix Budget. Hello there, thank you for being here. And today's video, we will be cash stuffing the variable expenses. So, itong on-the-go wallet ko, ito yung ika-cash stuff natin. So, basically, yung laman ng wallet na to is more on sa mga variable expenses ko like food, groceries, toiletries, yung mga personal stuff, ganon. So, let's go ahead and cash stuff it. So, for us to cash stuff it, kukunin muna natin dito sa main binder natin yung pera. So, we have here variable expenses. Ginagawa ko kasi to for me to para hindi ako ma-confuse because I like to cash stuff or budget it na isang buo, alam mo yon. So I have my main binder, tapos cash stuff natin yung variable natin. So, count muna natin to just to make sure na meron tayong complete. Kasi nung nakaraan, alam niyo na yun, hindi siya naging complete. Ewan ko bakit nangyari yun. So, separate muna natin yung amounts. So, we have 20 pesos. Plus 30 plus 10, 20 plus 20 pesos. That's 70. Lagay natin dito yung coins. And then we have 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. So, plus 250. And then, hundreds naman tayo. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. So, we have 2,000 pesos. So, that's the hundreds. Then, we have 500s. 500 and 1,000 pesos. So, ayan. So, total natin is we have 3,320 pesos. Which is yung exact na need natin for our variables expenses. So, I'm still figuring out my categories for this year. So, thus, ito mga blank pa siya. So, nilagyan ko na lang ng paper as temporary na anong tawag dito, na mga labels. Ang gusto ko din sa binder na to kasi may card slot siya. So, yung mga, itong ID ko, tapos yung mga main cards ko, laging nakalagay dito. So, let's start. First, for personal, we'll allocate 500 pesos. So, 500 for our personal. Mainly, gagamitin ko to kasi need talagang mani-pedi kasi naka-ingrown yung tubo ng nails ko and di lang talaga siya pang beauty. Kumbaga, it's a necessity kasi masakit talaga siya pag hindi nakapag-cleaning. Next is the food. So for food, we'll allocate 1,000 pesos. So ito na ang gagamitin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1,000 pesos. Next is groceries. This is more on gulay, mga ganyan. Gulay, delata. This is just my contribution sa food allowance sa bahay. So, 1,000. So, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 1,000. So, if ganito na puro siya thick, ina-alternate ko siya para ma-balance out niya. Kasi pag puro nakalagay dito yung ganitong side niya, mag-bulge siya masyado. So, just to even out lang. Next is the toiletries. So, for toiletries, we have 820 pesos. So, we have 500, 600, 750, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, and 20. So, a total of 820. I know, hindi siya realistic din na budget for toiletries. But for now, binibili ko lang talaga yung mga necessary like sabon, conditioner, shampoo, mga ganun. So, yeah. Wala naman tayong pang buffer ngayon. And I still have to figure it out. So, ito, marami pang mga blank. Ito, nilalagay ko na lang yung mga ibang ATM cards kasi hindi ko siya, wala na siyang space. And then itong receipt as mga coins. Siguro ililipat ko na lang yung coins dito para hindi sila mahulog. So let's do it. Just to be cautious kasi gagamitin ko itong, okay lang kasi pag pa isa, dalawa, tatlong coins, di siya mahuhulog. But ito, marami kasi, so lagay ko na lang sila dito para sure. So, ayan. So, we already fully stuffed our variable. So, hindi ko na siya ma-close. So, it's okay. Gagamitin ko rin naman to because I'll be buying some food na tomorrow. So, that's it for today's video. And thank you very much for coming along with me. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!